The U.S. Department of Defense revealed that the Marine Corps will implement advanced counter-drone systems throughout its forces in 2025. This strategic move reflects the growing need to address the threats posed by small, versatile, and affordable drones that adversaries increasingly use for reconnaissance, surveillance, and strikes in global conflicts. Earlier this year, the U.S. Army conducted an extensive week-long demonstration at Yuma Proving Ground, where various technologies designed to counter unmanned aerial systems (UAS) were showcased. These systems focus on detecting, intercepting, and neutralizing hostile drones, with a particular emphasis on addressing the vulnerabilities faced by dispersed forces in contested environments. The new dismounted counter-UAS systems being rolled out by the Marine Corps will help troops on the ground detect, track, identify, and neutralize enemy drones. These systems incorporate both kinetic and non-kinetic countermeasures and are engineered to be lightweight and user-friendly. This ensures that Marines from all backgrounds and specialties can operate these systems with minimal training. One notable addition to the Marine Corps' anti-UAS arsenal is the Marine Air Defense Integrated System, MADIS, a mobile platform mounted on Joint Light Tactical Vehicles. MADIS provides layered defense capabilities against small drones, helicopters, and low-flying threats, proving indispensable in both mobile and stationary defense scenarios. Alongside MADIS is the Epirus-Leonidas, a high-power microwave system capable of disabling several drones at once, offering a powerful response to the increasingly common threat of drone swarms. To further bolster capabilities at the individual level, the Marine Corps is introducing handheld counter-drone devices. These compact systems are tailored for use by Marines on the front lines, enabling them to disrupt or disable enemy drones quickly and effectively during patrols or when securing positions. The simplicity and portability of these devices have made them ideal for rapid deployment without detracting from the core mission of the Marines. The urgency of these advancements has been highlighted by recent conflicts, such as the ongoing war in Ukraine, where drones have dramatically altered the dynamics of warfare. Both Russian and Ukrainian forces have employed small UAS for reconnaissance and direct strikes, underscoring the necessity for adaptable counter-UAS measures. Similarly, in the Middle East, tensions have driven an increase in drone and missile activity, particularly from Iranian-backed forces, pushing the U.S. military to enhance its defense systems in the region. Recognizing that drones require more agile, tactical solutions, the Marine Corps has been adapting its strategy to address the ever-evolving nature of drone threats. Beyond technological advancements, the Corps is integrating counter-UAS tactics into its training programs, ensuring that every Marine is prepared to respond to drone incursions. This focus on operational readiness is crucial, as future warfare will likely involve complex, digitally contested environments where rapid adaptation to emerging threats will be essential. With the implementation of systems like MADIS, the Epirus-Leonidas, and handheld disruptors, along with a renewed emphasis on training, the Marine Corps is positioning itself to effectively counter the growing drone threat. This multifaceted approach ensures that U.S. Marines remain prepared and effective, no matter the challenges posed by modern warfare.